Hi, I'm Sam Struth. I'm the chairman of the Community Uplift Program, also known as CUP. We are a fairly new nonprofit, and we evolved from a project called Flags Over Veterans. We found some needs in the community and decided to continue on with our nonprofit status and try to help the community. What we do is is a raffle that's based on the 3-digit lottery, and that raffle proceeds that is sponsored a veteran in PTSD equine therapy with Little Blessings Veterans Outreach down in Ottawa Lake, Michigan. The other fundraiser that we do is a community-based type of fundraiser, and last year we had a Fat Man Triathlon, and we raised over $5,000 for MCOP's Teen Homeless Program. That's Community Uplift Program in a nutshell. We meet once a month on the third Monday at the VFW Hall on Jones Avenue at 7 p.m. If you want more information about what we do, come on out and see us, and we'll explain to you exactly what we're trying to do with the community. And we're always looking for new members, and we're looking for new projects too. So come see us.